They said space is silent. But NASA just proved us wrong. In 2022, scientists captured the sound coming from a black hole, 250 million light-years away. The moment they played it, it didn't sound like anything we've ever heard. It was deep, distorted, almost like a scream, as if the universe itself was calling out. Some say it's just gas and plasma vibrations. Others believe it's something alive in the darkness. What do you think? Is this the sound of science? Or the whisper of something beyond our understanding? They said it was only a myth. Until it started moving. More hidden truths await. Subscribe if you dare.